unveiling. The top 5 SUVs with the most reliable engines ever. Feel like your car has a countdown timer on it, ticking away towards the inevitable breakdown? Fear not, weary traveler. Today, Car Computer Exchange is here to be your pit crew, guiding you to the top 5 SUVs with engines built to outlast your wanderlust. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip or just need a reliable daily driver, these SUVs are sure to keep you on the road for years to come. Say goodbye to unexpected breakdowns and hello to peace of mind with these top picks. Hey gearheads, adventure seekers, and anyone who's ever gotten stranded on the side of the road with a frown bigger than a state map. We've all been there. Welcome back to Car Computer Exchange. Today we're ditching the unreliable lemons and revving up our engines for a journey into the world of SUVs that will keep you rolling, exploring, and conquering the open road for years to come. We're talking bulletproof engines, smooth rides, and enough miles to make even the most adventurous spirit blush. Buckle up because we're about to unveil the top 5 most reliable SUVs on the market, guaranteed to make your next adventure unforgettable and breakdown-free. Honda Passport, the dependable trailblazer. Honda's reputation for bulletproof reliability precedes it, and the Passport is no exception. For those seeking a loyal partner on their journeys, look no further than the 2023 and older models equipped with the legendary 3.5L V6 engine, J35Y6. This engine is a veteran of the road, having powered countless Hondas over the years. It's renowned for its smooth operation, effortless power delivery, and ability to rack up hundreds of thousands of miles with proper care. The Honda Passport's spacious interior, comfortable ride, and off-road capabilities make it the perfect vehicle for exploring new destinations with confidence. Whether you're tackling rugged terrain or cruising on the highway, the Passport is sure to impress with its performance and dependability. Think of it like a seasoned backpacker. It may not have the flashiest features, but it's dependable, efficient, and always ready for the next adventure. Paired with a smooth, shifting 9-speed automatic transmission, the Passport offers a comfortable and confident driving experience, perfect for conquering any road trip. Whether you're exploring unpaved back roads or cruising down the highway, the Passport will get you there reliably and comfortably. Lexus RX 350, pre-2023. Luxury meets longevity. Sometimes you want the refinement of luxury without sacrificing reliability. Enter the pre-2023 Lexus RX 350. While newer models boast a new engine, the older generation's heart lies in the trusted 3.5LV6 engine, 2GR-FKS. This engine is a proven warrior, known for its longevity and impressive power output, around 300 horsepower. It's like a sophisticated adventurer. It can handle the rough terrain while still maintaining a sense of elegance. Whether you're navigating through rough terrain or cruising on the open road, the Lexus RX 350 offers a smooth and reliable ride. With its luxurious interior and dependable performance, this pre-2023 model is a timeless choice for those seeking both comfort and longevity in their vehicle. This engine isn't just about power, though. It's also capable of achieving respectable fuel economy, making this Lexus a practical choice for long journeys. Imagine cruising down the coast with the wind in your hair and the soundtrack of the engine purring beneath the hood. The Lexus RX 350, pre-2023, is the perfect choice for those who want a reliable and luxurious companion on their adventures. Toyota Highlander, the indomitable family hauler. Toyota's legendary reliability shines through in the Highlander. This spacious and versatile SUV is perfect for families who crave adventure without compromising peace of mind. Think of it as the trusty minivan's cool and adventurous cousin. The workhorse under the hood is the proven 3.5LV6 engine, 2GR-FKS, the same one found in the Lexus RX 350. This engine boasts a direct and port injection system that not only enhances performance, but also contributes to improved fuel efficiency. With 295 horsepower on tap, and an 8-speed automatic transmission, the Highlander offers a powerful and comfortable ride, ready to tackle any adventure, big or small. The Highlander also comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, providing advanced safety features such as pre-collision system with pedestrian detection and lane departure alert. Whether you're navigating city streets or off-road trails, the Highlander ensures a safe and enjoyable driving experience for the whole family. Imagine piling the family into the Highlander, hitting the open road, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Now, the Highlander is the reliable and capable SUV that will get you there and back again, no matter how many detours, spontaneous stops, or sing-alongs along the way. Hands on the wheel, eyes on the road, but are you craving a snack? Hit that like button if you're ready to refuel your own adventure, and maybe grab a donut. Let's keep rolling. Ford Expedition, the capable convoy leader. Looking for an SUV with the muscle and space to conquer the open road and lead the family convoy? Look no further than the Ford Expedition. While it may have some stiff competition from the likes of the Chevy Suburban and Tahoe, the Expedition holds its own with its proven and reliable 5L EcoBoost turbocharged engine. This engine is a force to be reckoned with, offering impressive horsepower, up to 400 in the limited trim, and the grunt to get you and your crew wherever you need to go. Imagine navigating a mountain pass with the confidence of knowing your engine has the power to handle the incline. The Expedition's EcoBoost engine delivers that reliable performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency, making it a practical choice for long journeys. It's like the reliable older sibling who can handle anything you throw at them, within reason, of course. Lexus GX 460, pre-2023, the off-road royalty. Sometimes the adventure calls for venturing off the beaten path. If conquering off-road terrain is your idea of a good time, then the pre-2023 Lexus GX 460 is your chariot. This luxurious SUV isn't just about comfort. It's a proven off-road warrior, equipped with features like a high-low transfer case, a torsion center locking differential, and the kinematic dynamic suspension system, KDSS. Think of it as the king of the off-road castle, ready to tackle any challenge you throw its way. But the heart of this off-road champion lies in its legendary 6L naturally aspirated V8 engine, 1URFE. This engine is a powerhouse boasting 300 horsepower and a whopping 446 lb-ft of torque. It's like having a reliable and powerful friend by your side, ready to tow your gear and conquer any obstacle. And let's not forget its impressive towing capacity, making it perfect for hauling your camping trailers, boats, or any other gear you need for your next adventure. Remember, these are just a few of the many reliable SUV champions out there. Each one offers its own unique set of features and capabilities, so research and choose the one that best suits your needs and your sense of adventure. With proper maintenance, any of these champions can be your trusted companion for years to come, creating lasting memories on every road trip and adventure. So, buckle up, fuel up, and get ready to write your own adventure story. So there you have it, folks. These champions of cruise control are ready to be your partners in exploration, conquering any road trip or off-road adventure you throw their way. Remember, a reliable engine is the heart of any great adventure, and these SUVs wear their hearts on their well-maintained sleeves. If you're ready to ditch the unreliable lemons and find your perfect adventure companion, be sure to hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell so you never miss an episode from Car Computer Exchange. We'll be diving deep into more car tips, tricks, and exciting explorations, so stay tuned and keep adventuring.